Me and Roger here.
Are you with Roger? I'm sorry, I'm out of here then.
Roger Rabbit.
Yeah.
What's this one hanging out with a rabbit?
Really, you want Roger opposed to Jessica?
Roger's more fun.
You're weird.
So I'm just curious. I have a question. What do you all drink when you're camping? Me, I do like a good cold beer. Often, because, it's hot, like a good cold beer. But at the end of the day, a glass of wine's nice, but I always like to have a whiskey and water. This is like my second favorite whiskey, by the way. Gibson's Rare. First one is like Pike Creek, another Canadian whiskey. Support Canada, good stuff. And I only mix it with water. I don't do it with Coke, nothing like that. Keep it simple. What about you?
It's definitely not whiskey and water.
I said the great thing about whiskey and water is you can get your drunk on and hydrate all at the same time. Cheers.
Yeah, well, my wine has fruit. It's like fruit group. Fruit group.
Fruit group.
Yeah. Do you like my wine? I'm from the Okanagan. What can I say? So, good white in the summer on a really hot day. In the middle of winter or when it's a little chillier, really nice red.
Well, see, if we're going into wintertime, I like a good craft beer. Like a good dark craft beer. Actually, you want to talk about a good beer? Hoyne Dark Matter. That's a good dark craft beer. I love that.
Actually, I don't mind that beer. I like a good craft beer.
You know what's great about that beer, though, is because it's got that chocolatey taste of like a Guinness or a stout, but it has the lightness of a lager.
Yeah, I don't mind that either.
Yeah. I have some of that in the cooler. I'm going to have some of that tomorrow. So
You're welcome.
When we come back tomorrow, I'll be having some Hoyne.
Cheers, everybody.
Cheers, everybody.